Hello everyone and welcome to another unboxing from EMK. Well, straight away you can see this is a product from the Royal Canadian Mint. You have the classic logo there and the standard box that comes with the Canadian Mint products. You've got some details about this coin that we're about to have a look at right now. So as you can see there, it is a fine silver coin, but this one does have a little bit of a twist. So let's open it up and get a better look. Once again, it is the classic Canadian Mint box, of course with the wonderful maple leaf logo there. And straight away you can see this is going to be a fun video. Wait a moment, always certificate first. Have to work up to it. So there we have it. It is the 2022 $20 fine silver coin, black and gold. And this is the Sea Otter version. Very, very cool. There you can see that we have a mintage of 6,500 pieces from this product. Not a bad mintage, but the product itself, fantastic. Let's have a closer look. Make sure we're in focus, of course. So here we have it. You can see this is a 1 ounce silver coin, but it has been plated with yellow gold and rhodium. So that's what gives us that spectacular gold and black effect, creating a perfect yin and yang. And of course, in the center there, you have two adorable sea otters. So if I slightly turn this coin for you, you're going to see, hold on, there we are. You're going to see that the two sea otters are of course in water, and you really get a nice ripple effect on the face of this coin. And just the comparison, this contrast between black and gold, those ripples around the sea otters, and of course their cute little faces. Really, really nice and a great addition for this yin and yang theme. Very, very cool. Now if we turn the coin over, of course, it's a product from the Royal Canadian Mint. So we have Queen Elizabeth II on there, Canada 2022, and as I said before, this does have a face value of $20. Now I have to say the Queen's looking very nice with that black background. The edging's also very nice here. And unfortunately, these capsules are very hard to open. So I'm not going to open this one today, but luckily you can see the quality through the capsule. And as I said before, using the sea otters for this particular yin and yang theme works really, really well, because these guys work so hard, but also find time to play. And this particular pair is floating down the river, which is quite typical of sea otters.